here. So here's the CarPlay. Alright, so we're not gonna open that one yet. First thing we gotta do, we gotta open this one. We have to remove this whole thing. So are we far enough from the other side? I'm gonna remove this. Alright, so we're on the way to remove the panel. So I remove this one first, and then there's one here, there's two screws, sorry, which is this one. There's one here, one over there, and then we'll pull this one out. Whoop. Okay, so we got the bottom out. Now we're gonna unscrew this one. There's one here. I think there should be one more there. Let's see. Check. There's none here. I think we're good. I managed to remove. I know there's some kind of electrical here. This one. So now we have to remove all these ones. Oh, we can keep this one. Alright, so we have this one, this kit. This is actually, it's for Honda Civic only, right? But I took the chance because what we're going to install this one is I have the 2011 Acura CSX. Alright, so everything is fit. The wire harness is also good, but the only problem is this one, it doesn't fit. This vent doesn't also fit properly, so we did some modifications. On this one here, didn't have the hole for the airbag sensor, so you gotta do some modifications. So that's what I did here. And this one here for the here vent, this one it was a little bit too long, right? So I grind it out to make it fit. Now it's fit good. Okay, before it was like that. Now it's fit flush. Okay, now the other problem is the airbag sensor, because I've been looking something like this that is a kit that will fit exactly into a Acura CSX, but I couldn't find any link. I looked it up online, like if there's anything. I think the best way is you gotta buy this separately, and you gotta buy the screen separately. I think that's the best way, because I know I've seen one like this that has everything. I believe that should be fit on the on the Acura CSX, but I didn't buy that one because it doesn't come the whole thing. So I just want the whole thing that we can almost plug and play, and I think this one is almost like plug and play. All the wire harness I tested and it's all good. The only problem is this one. So now I've got to do some modification here. So what I used here, what material I use here is the ABS pipe, the plumbing pipe, this one, right? And then you got to use also this glue, the plumbing glue. This ABS glue, right? And it should glue that one properly. So it's almost dry, and then it's good to go. All right, so what I did here, so that goes in here, and well, it's not gonna fit like just like how the OM one, but it's almost right there, and then you're just gonna screw it there at the back like that. Right, it's all good. All right, so now let's put this together. After now this is already fully dry. I put this one last night, so that goes like that. Yeah. Bits. I put some tape. Make sure measure it. You don't want to go through. There you go. Okay. So that looks good. I can put some. Let me try it with my gun. Okay. So now looks okay. Okay, so let's put it back on. Okay, so now let's put this. You gotta be careful of putting this together. What I did here, these holes, like they're a little bit too tight, so I pre-drilled them to make it loosen a little bit, because I cracked out one here. So now it should be good. These are like plastic, so make sure you're not over tightening them. So we're just gonna try it, because before this one doesn't really fit. Oh yeah, so now it's good. Yeah, okay, it's fit there. This one, this one, just gonna pop it out like that. One here. I mixed it up. Okay. So now let's put this one here. Use your handle. Screwdriver, just double check. Okay, that's it. Right there. So now, this one goes. Just one more I need to remove from here. That one goes here. And what is this? Wow, it's a bit smaller. Okay, so no worries, we could loosen that one, that slot. It's a bit too tiny. Okay, so now I file it down a little bit. Now it fits. Okay, that's good. Now everything's back. Now we're gonna put the panel. Okay, so yes. Because you're right. Okay, now it's good. Nice. Now let's prepare all the wiring. Alright, so now I'm on the process of wiring the camera. So what I did here, you have to remove this trim works down here. You don't have to remove this. I remove this one, this guy. Okay. There's like one nut that you can remove from here. Once you remove that, you can slide it up, and then you're just gonna fish it through here, all the cables, and then the camera is already mounted right here, right above the plate number. Okay, so all right, so let's do this. And then what I did here also, you gotta use that electrical fish line. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, so this is my fish tape. Okay, I'm gonna try to fish it through there, so you don't have to remove this panel. To remove this guy here, this trim work here, you gotta remove this. There's like cover before, and then there's like a screw behind. So I'm hoping it's gonna go through easily. I hope so. Okay, got it. It went through. Everything is good. Okay, so we're good. Okay, so it's all good. So now, all right, so we're just gonna follow this existing cable here. Remove this guy so that way you can see what am I doing here. I don't need to remove this, but it's just blocking the camera. Okay, so that's good. So now all the exists wire, all this extra wire are just gonna tie wrap it and put it here, and then this one we're just gonna connect it like that. Okay, that's good. Alright, this one here, I'm just gonna connect the butt connector it. Alright, so I just gonna solder it. Let's go here. Okay, so now it's good. I just gonna add some tape. Before you do this one though, you have to test it first. So I test it first just to make sure everything works. Okay, and then now that's going here. This bulb is dead too. Then this one, we're just gonna cable tie them. So just to make sure that we have to cable tie them, because in case later on you want to pop out something, trying to pull out the trim works, they're not going to be on the way, right? So make sure, well, you can just put some tape, that's not a problem too. Cable tie would be the best, because if you want to remove them, it's simple to remove. You just cut it, right? Okay, so now we're done here. Now we're just gonna put it back. This one. When you try to remove this, don't forget. See, it's hooked there. Don't pull it like that. You have to push it up or lift it up. Otherwise, you're gonna break it. And now this one here, you need a long socket, long extensions. Okay, we're good. Alright, so we're now here. This is gonna be the last wiring that we have to do. It should be fine. Right, and come back up here. Ooh. Okay, so this is the last one that we have to do. So I have all the wire. Now it's ready to plug it. Okay, everything's here, that one there. Oh, yeah, this one. We have to connect this to here. So what am I going to do with this one? I'm gonna use a socket. Okay, so that way if you want to remove, all right, we're just gonna solder this. Same thing with this one, so that way it's stronger. That's good. So now these are the terminal. Let's put the female here. Which side is? Yeah. Who's here? There you go. Okay, so I got everything. Wire. This one here. Hi.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Hi, B.
Ouch. How you're feeling?
Oh, much better.
Oh, that's good. You went to see a doctor?
Yeah, this morning.
This morning?
Yeah,
What did they
I feel
say?
much better now. He just want me to do the physiotherapy. But yesterday I still struggle because I can't even sit. I can't move.
That's
Like
not good.
when I'm laying
So you
down,
feel
it's like
better
I
now?
can't turn.
Now you feel better.
Oh yeah, now I feel better since last night. It start to get better.
What are you doing here?
I'm just putting this panel because I've been trying to do this since this morning. And after I went to see the doctor. Okay, one last one. Last one. Whoa. Oh man, it's so hard if you work by yourself. That's the thing. Okay, it's all good. Okay, so I got everything okay. Now, let's put this one.
Starting up. Recording start.
There you go. So now let's check the reverse. Reverse. There you go. It's working. Oh no, I don't know. I don't know how to use this one yet. I haven't connected yet on my phone. Okay, I'll come back in a few minutes. Let's just do some kind of music. There's supposed to be a music. There you go. The volume in this one. Okay. Alright, let's put this now. Let's put it back. Right, I just also include this. I bought this one at Amazon. So this is the size 14. Oh my god, I hope this is gonna fit right. We'll see. Okay, looks good. Okay, so let's go back to this CarPlay. So I'm still like learning about these things. The only thing that I couldn't figure out yet here is the steering control. I don't know, it's like the instruction here is not telling me all the full details. So you just paired your phone. So I'm using two phones here. I'm using like iPhone and the Pixel. So I have the Pixel one. So stop this. Pixel Pro. Music audio. Phone audio. Can you do both? I'm not sure. Okay. Right, so it's setting Bluetooth. Okay, so make sure it's all connected. How to answer? Okay. So let's see now. So I connected my phone. There you go. So now it's connected. Let me go back there again. So Bluetooth, make sure it's all connected. I mean, you make sure you all these buttons is on positions. Oop. So make sure your phone. Okay, so we're good. Let's see now. There you go. Now it's connected. I gotta stop that because we're gonna get copyright. Alright, so I'm just showing how this thing works. So far so good, everything works.